To access the practice exams included in your NZIQ certification bundle, once you've redeemed your access code, your dashboard will have all of the programs that you have access to in this list right here. Select the program you'd like to do, and you'll see both your courses, if you've got those, and your practice exams. Inside your practice exams, you can click Start, and you'll have an option here to choose your language and the mode. There are two modes available, testing and training. Testing is a mock exam, exactly like the real exam will be. You have a time limit that counts down, and you've got no help on whether or not you've done the questions correctly. The training mode is something that you can use as many times as you'd like, but it gives you help every step of the way, and there's no time limit pressure. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. Once we've launched the Excel practice test, this is the kind of thing you should expect to see. You're inside the Excel application, and you're able to work through different tasks and complete them to learn if you've done them correctly or incorrectly. Down the bottom, you have a help function, which can give you a step-by-step instructions on how you can answer the question, move to the next task, or mark for review or completed later. At any stage, you can work your way through and save the project or grade it if you're finished. With any of our practice tests, you also unlock these quizzes. These are skill reviews that you can use that work in a slightly different way than the practice exams, which mirror the real exam. Once again, we're inside the Excel application, but this time instead of working on a project that looks like the real exam, we're getting quick-fire questions just like this one here. We've got no time restrictions in the training mode, but in the testing mode, we do have a 50-minute countdown. And again, in the training mode, we can ask for help to give us step-by-step instructions on how to answer the question correctly. So it gives you everything you need to answer questions, learn how the applications work, and pass certification exam.